Well, continued drought conditions throughout the western slope and generally just in this part of the west. This year with record low levels of snowpack, it was just something that made a lot of sense. It was just something we felt like we had to do.
We're converting underutilized grass into shrub beds that contain trees, perennials, and shrubs, and modifying the irrigation to reduce water usage.
Yeah, student feedback is really vital for us as we're thinking through what the campus looks like, and feedback from students is incredibly important. So students come to us talking about water and conservation and how concerned they are about saving water. It's really important to us.
The locations were selected based on what grass strips really don't provide any utility for us. They're difficult to maintain, they're small, they're narrow.
The new spaces will provide still the aesthetics of plants with flowers that attract bees and butterflies and hummingbirds and all the good things, so it will still maintain the beauty of campus.
How do we continue that through the formation district, but do it in a way where the plants that we're planting can survive in our hot climate, that don't require a tremendous amount of water, but still provide opportunities for students to take advantage of those spaces, to gather, to create community, to create relationships.
The amount of water we're saving is equivalent to 800,000 gallons. This is also equivalent to the volume of water that's in our natatorium, that enormous swimming pool. That's 800,000 gallons of water. So it's a significant amount of water savings.
We will continue to focus our time and energy and money into the pieces of grass around campus that people use a lot more.
All of these little efforts add up to a big effort. And I think that historically, if you looked at this university, you would say that CMU oftentimes leads by example, if not always leads by example. And oftentimes we're the first out of the gate with doing these types of things. So there's just little things that all of us can do to conserve the amount of water we use.